Yeah, Littleton has fireworks.
Fireworks? Who's red guy? Red guy. The green ones. The green guy. The green guy. They're making fireworks? What was that? Oh, it's a loud in here. It's a loud. Do you have doors to open them?
Yeah, on Daddy's truck.
What is in there? What are things in there?
There's a piece of your playground's in there.
Oh. For my playground at your house?
Yeah.
We have it, guys. Look at that green car. Look. Look at that red car. Oh, what? Oh! Look at that one. Look at that one. Look at that green guy. This color for. Look at that one. Don't fall off.
Yeah, don't fall off Daddy's truck.
Okay. Oh, what's
Stay
that?
back. Stay back. Don't go to the edge.
Don't go to it.
Yeah. We don't want you to fall off and go kaboom.
Oh, come on. Then when you do it, it's over.
No, it's not over. There's lots of fireworks, huh?
We fell. We cry.
Yeah, you would cry if you fall. You don't want to fall.
Look at that one. It's two. It got red ones in the one. Oh. Look. There. Oh. Look at that flower guy. Look at that one.
Oh, wow. It does look like a flower, huh?
Remember I said I was playing with Daddy?
Oh, there's a flower drain. That's right. That was a big one.
It's a big firework. You wanna go on your shoulders?
Are you going to go on my shoulders and see? Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay.